you like to wear some sunglasses like brothers did? Yeah, okay. One second, let me get this glove on and I'll give you some sunglasses. Alright, so here's some small ones. You want to put those, you want to wear these?
Yeah.
Yeah? Ooh, you look so cool. Wow, buddy.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's see, what kind of toothpaste do you want? I have cookie dough, fruit punch, or bubble gum. Which one? Bubble gum? Okay, we'll brush your teeth. You may take it. We'll put it on your toothbrush. That one your teeth probably so good. Alright, let's see, buddy.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. It's okay. Look, it just is laying back. Yeah, good job, buddy. And I'll put your movie up here. Wow, good job. All right, buddy. Wow, thank you. You're such a good helper. One more little scooch. There, perfect, right there. Okay, bud. Move it down just a little bit. Okay, and we're just gonna brush, okay? Super easy. Okay. This is just my toothbrush, and all it's gonna do is just tickle your teeth, okay? Are you ready? You wanna put your hands on your belly? Can you put your hands on your belly for me? Thank you, bud. All right, we're just brushing, okay? Open super big. Ah, good job. You looking in the air? Yeah.
The base is all done. No, base is all done. Let's see. Kasi walang mado.
This side might tickle, okay? It might tickle a little. It's tickling him, huh? That's so silly. Might feel a little silly down there. Just gotta get right up against your gum. Alright, let me turn your head a little bit towards me. Okay, perfect. And then open big. Good.